Hello guys, I'm here to introduce you this blueprint feature and hope you like it and having a great time. So as you can see, the name of this blueprint is called building. I'm going to drag and drop here and use for example, some wall for this one here. I can control the length or back wall and I can use this material and the depth, it's going to close it for me. As you can see, the tiling is perfect on the edges. I can use this one to extend it, or this one if I have to turn the tick on. And for the ceiling I can bring some mesh, or maybe it depends on your size of the length. And for the roof I can use, where are you, Mr. Roof, this one. And as you can see, there is some gap between these roof. There is an option called corner roof, and I'm going to put this one and turn it on 90 degrees. And for the offset, going to do like that. And there is some option called roof Z offset. Here's I think looks good on the real life size. The other option is called column. I can turn on this, and here I have modular loss ruin kit. That's not my package, but I'm using this for showing you that how does this blueprint work properly, because right now I don't have column, a good column to show you. So I put this one here and going to put this number. There's a little gap, so I'm going to increase the scale of this one and the offset. Oh my god, the offset. And as you can see, there's a repetition. Let me show you with this, because of this pivot point is not correct. So I'm going to use this one, and for the scale do something like that, and this one to 1. I know it's getting stretchy, but as you can see there's a repetition here, and there is this little number going to help me a lot. If I do this, yeah, it's looking good. And for the edge I can use this option. For the edge I can use this, it's good. And for the scaling, do like this. For offset, maybe, oh yeah, it's good for, it was for the rotation. And this one, edge column, was for the, is for the Z offset. I'm going to bring it down to like that. And for the, because it's don't go through the wall, do like that. Looking perfect in my opinion. And the last thing is called, I can use this one, just can remove it. And for the roof, before I forget it, there's something called back roof. If I turn it off, it's going to treat like that, so you don't need to worry about the edge. When you turn it on and off, it's going to do this automatically. And uh, yeah, for the ornaments, I can use this here. I'm going to turn on them off, and for the ornament, it's because it's two floor. It's the ornament is between one, and I use this number for the top. Let me turn off the corner, and you can see it clearly. And if I want it on the bottom, I can do this one. And for the offset, I'm going to put this number. You can see it better. But again, there is some repetition. And this little number is going to help me a lot if I put like this. See, boom, the magic has happened. For this, for the section number 2, there is some option. You can turn off the back ornament, and if I turn this off, there is no need to be worried. It's because of the offset. If I put this number to this, or maybe this, is it going to help me? Yeah, maybe this number is working perfect. And for this one, maybe this. And maybe at last I can do some scaling. Why not? So yeah. Okay. Let's let's turn it off and show you the so for the second section, I turn this on, and let me put some wall for this one. It's not dependent on the section number 1. It has its own properties, like back wall different. Let me tell you something. When I turn it on, and maybe I would like to create something like this, some big structure, and where are you, Mr. Where are you? Maybe, yeah, I can put this on and something like that. For the section, I'm going to put this on. I'm going to turn this number to this one, and this one, length to this one, and maybe this one. And for the height, I'm going to put this number to 15. Boom. Congratulations, you created a new good building. So maybe you say that I want to change some of this wall. You're going to turn on this different back wall, and maybe put this one or this one, and bring the material. Or maybe for this section you want to change it, so I'm going to turn this on and take this one, and boom. And you can use some use this building to create these props around the building, and yeah, do something like that. It's going to look perfect. Maybe let me delete them, because that was for example. And these features, the seal floor, the same. And another thing is, maybe I would like to change. I don't want to be like there, maybe here. And for the this one, going to put this to this. And yeah, that's a small property. And for the section number 3, there is only for the wall, I mean, there's only a roof. You can create some roof for them. If I put this one to this, and there's 2 tests, it's going to fit perfect. And if I put this one, it's going to fit perfect. But there's 2 different thing. If I put ceiling like this, it's looking good. But if I put this one to this, because its its size is ended in here, how can I say, because its size is ended in here. Let me show you. As you can see, it's bigger than this one, so it's not going to work properly. The size should be the same size as the normal wall, and it's going to work perfect. For the ceiling, you can use some offset, and for other ceilings too. And if I turn off the section number 2, it's going to stay on section number 1. And yeah, here it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to use this tool, and see you on the next one.